everyone, today we'll be discussing two different types of stresses, the axial and the bending stress. So if we move on to our board here, we can see on the left side we have the axial stress formula, which equals to force, so however much force we're applying to the object divided by its area. If we're considering a circular or round object, then the area would equal to pi times its radius to the second power. On the other end, the bending stress is a little more complex because it's taking in consideration different types of forces happening at the same time. And in that case, the stress equals to m, which is the bending moment, so how much we're actually bending the object, times y, which is the radius of the round object, and I, which equals to 1/4 times pi times the radius to the fourth power. So both y and I actually have to do with the area and surface area of the object. So I have a little example right here, spaghetto, and if we are trying to consider the axial stress and evaluating its force, so what we can do is pull it on its side outwards so that we can see exactly how much force we're applying. But then when it comes to the area, we need the radius to calculate it. I looked it up online and it looks like the radius for a regular spaghetti is 0.0313 inches. Now once we have that radius, we can just plug it into this formula, and then find the area, and then just divide the force divided by the area, and we get the axial stress. Instead, for the bending, if we're trying to bend the spaghetto, we can see that on the top side, it's actually getting more tense, while the bottom side has more compression. So the force that we're applying actually will be this bending moment times whatever the radius is, which we already discussed, this right here, and then I divided by I, which still has to do with the cross-sectional area. So now, just as a demonstration, we'll try to bend it until it breaks. There it is, there it goes. So that is a demonstration of bending stress failure, while if we try to take the same spaghetto and try to pull it, there it goes. It's a very little piece, I don't know if you can see it. But this is the failure of the axial stress. Thank you so much.